Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Marble Snap. Today I'm going to show you various tips and tricks that you can use to earn credits, golds, and various different rewards. So let's get started right away. Now every time you increase a level by winning your battles, you get to unlock a new card and various different boosters or credits as well. So based on this, one of the most direct ways is to play more matches and win. But apart from this, there are also various different missions that you can complete. Underneath the season and missions option, just click on whichever season it is currently showing, and you will see the various rewards that you can collect by increasing your XP points. So the more points you gather, you can access various different rewards. Now, if you're not getting the premium subscription, then you will only be awarded the rewards where you can find the free tag, but the other rewards will only be accessible with premium. On top of the level progress, you can go into collection, and whichever card can be upgraded will have the screen animation playing on it. You can click on this card and tap on the upgrade button. Once you upgrade your card, you will also get some reward, and through this, you can collect and claim more and more rewards. Anytime an upgrade is available, you have the chance to unlock more mystery cards, and with it, your level will also increase. Now, if you click on the shop option, you may see rewards that you can collect. Just tap on the collect button and you can claim your reward by simply tapping on the claim button. You may be restricted by any purchase to get the next tier, so if you don't want to spend any amount, you can simply collect the first one. Then if you scroll down, you will also find other offers, such as the offer to buy any premium mystery variant by spending your gold, and if you keep scrolling underneath, you will find free credits that you can claim. When you tap on the free button, you will instantly be awarded the credit. Finally, within the main menu, you can also click on See All Missions, as well as the Daily Missions button. And whenever you complete these requirements, you will be rewarded with the credits and XP. Just click on the appropriate reward to get the XP added to your account. And there you have it. Those are the various different ways by which you can get free rewards, credits, and XP on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more Marble Snap updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.